Hello and welcome. My name is Joseph Sinclair, and today I will be providing an informational webinar on Penn State Berks' Mastering Additive Manufacturing Certificate. This certificate course is meant to leverage my additive experiences in academia as well as industry. From the academic standpoint, I originally graduated Penn State with degrees in nuclear engineering and mechanical engineering. I then went on to work for the Applied Research Laboratory's Sim3D facility at Penn State University Park, where I learned to operate multiple types of additive tools. I then started multiple startup companies in additive, both service bureaus as well as software companies. I then circled back and recently completed my coursework for my Master's of Engineering degree in Additive Manufacturing and Design. Beyond that, I've also worked and continue to work as the Director of Additive and Hybrid Manufacturing Processes at one of the leading metal 3D printing companies. I've also taught multiple courses at Penn State now regarding additive manufacturing and 3D printing, both to local community members as well as industry folks, as well as your everyday student. This course, however, is specifically geared for engineers, skilled technicians, mid-level to senior level management personnel, as well as business owners. The underlying principle behind this certificate is to provide individuals the resources and overarching know-how that will enable them to take advantage of additive manufacturing within their business or organization. And we're going to be providing this course to individuals via video so that they'll be able to learn the subject matter at their own pace, as well as be able to go back and apply specific subject matter relatively as they deem fit. We're also going to have a hands-on component that will complement the video learning experience, and this will also enable us to speak in person regarding any questions or significant confusion you may have about how additive manufacturing processes or machines work, as well as any underlying problems you could see implementing additive manufacturing in your individual company or setting. One of the primary topics of the certificate course is to enable individuals to implement additive manufacturing effectively and successfully within their existing organizations or companies. In order to achieve this, we will take a deep dive into why additive manufacturing is useful to existing companies and existing markets, while also being useful to new and emerging markets. A lot of hot topics will surround decreasing production lead times, as well as increasing fabrication versatility for your company, as well as decentralizing manufacturing operations, while also discussing how rapid prototyping can vastly improve product development cycle times and cost savings. In order for individuals to successfully complete the Mastering Additive Manufacturing Certificate, they'll be required to complete successfully 4 distinct courses. The first course, Designed for Additive Manufacturing, will have students understand the basic underlying principles behind additive manufacturing, as well as understand and determine how those principles deviate from traditional manufacturing methodologies. Foundations of Additive Manufacturing will have students focus on the history of additive. They'll understand how additive began impacting existing markets and how it continues to impact emerging markets, while also having a focus on metal additive manufacturing. Additive manufacturing processes will have students take a deep dive into the 7 different types of additive processes. These processes will cover a wide variety of machine and equipment types, as well as the most popular in each of the processee categories. Additive manufacturing of materials will focus on all the different materials additive manufacturing currently offers, as well as emerging materials to be offered soon or in the future, while also discussing how materials are affected by the additive manufacturing process itself. Each of the previously defined courses will consist of 21 hours of video instruction. The program will also include a limited number of hands-on in-person labs at the Penn State campus. Students can enroll individually in these courses and take them at their own leisure. To receive a certificate, students must successfully complete all certificate courses and labs. If you have any questions regarding the Mastering Additive Manufacturing Certificate offered by Penn State Berks, please contact Erica Kunkel. Thank you for joining us, and I look forward to seeing you in class.